Hello everyone, my name is Ranalisa Wasgaya Rodelas at nais kong ibahagi sa inyo ang aking journey sa ICSA. I really have this dream na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, makapagsuot ng toga, at the same time makareceive ng diploma. At the age of 18 years old, naranasan kong alagaan ng aking lolo na may sakit. At alam ko sa sarili ko na I don't have this deeper knowledge about healthcare. So fast forward, I get this opportunity na makapag-enroll sa ICSA at kinuha ko ang kursong UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. The lesson I learned from this course are truly invaluable. I learned the principles of healthcare, the proper way of taking the vital signs, how to compute the BMI, and also I learned here the understanding of the legal and ethical aspects of healthcare, and most importantly, how to communicate with the patients. Isang malaking pasasalamat kay Sir Mark Jacos na tumulong sa akin upang mapaunlad ang aking mga personal na kakayahan. I am truly grateful and thankful to be one of your students and you profound contributed to my personal and professional growth. Sa lahat ng aking kababayan, ang ICSA ay tiyak na makakatulong sa inyo upang makamit ang inyong mga pangarap sa pamamagitan ng pag-enroll sa inyong piniling kurso. Sinasalamin ng ICSA ang kasabihang ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Kaya't samahan niyo ako sa pag-abot ng ating mga layunin. I would also like to express my gratitude to the management and staff of ICSA. Your unwavering dedication and support truly help us students. As the saying goes, in every success, there are people we should thank. We will never forget your sacrifice. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat. Patuloy tayong mangarap at magsikap.